Alright guys, check this out. We're looking at a diamond grill featuring about 8 to 10 diamonds per tooth. Actual diamonds, natural diamonds from the earth, not lab diamonds, guys. This is on gold grill, 10K solid gold, and it's an 8-tooth grill with 6 of the teeth being diamond teeth. Check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. You get a free mold kit. Beautiful grills. Check us out, guys. Good, high quality handmade work. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.